Okay, some of you are in my alternative classroom using Odyssey to take your classes. Um, some of you are taking math. And so, what I'm going to do the next few weeks is from Odyssey, I'm going to take some basic math concepts and we're going to review. Hopefully, most of this will be review. And we're going to build upon that as we go through Odyssey and math each week. So today I'm going to work through some pretty basic algebra problems. So we're going to start with a problem, and it reads 2x plus 3 equals minus x minus 6. This is a pretty simple algebraic equation. And what we want to do is solve for x. That means we want that letter x to be on one side of the equal sign and all the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to have to manipulate this in some fashion. So let's step through this. Step 1, I am going to add x to both sides and subtract 3 from both sides. And so in this fashion. And when I do that, I get 3x equals minus 9. Okay? You can see the steps, how I manipulated the letter x and the numbers. All right, next step. I'm going to divide by 3, okay, and I get x equals minus 3. So that's my answer. Now, what I always like to do is to check my answer. So I'm going to plug x equals minus 3 into the original equation. So when I do that, 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6, plus 3 equals minus 1 times minus 3. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, so that becomes 3, and then I'm going to subtract 6. And look at that. Minus 3 equals minus 3. So it works. Now, I want you to try 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 8. Okay? Now, the answer you should get is x equals 5. If you don't get that and you're stuck, send me an email and I'll work it out for you. All right, we're going to do one more problem, a little more difficult. In this one, we have two letters. We have x and y. And we're going to solve this or rearrange this algebraic equation in terms of y equals x. So x plus 2y equals 7x minus 2y plus 4. All right, so my first step, I'm going to combine terms. I'm going to combine the y and the x's. So if I add a positive 2y to both sides, that gets rid of this minus 2y, and I have 4y. I'm going to bring the x to this side. That means I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And you know what? I did that wrong. So we're going to stop right there and start over. Okay, we're going to kill that one.